Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we will be taking a look at this Whirlpool electric freestanding oven. We will show you how to remove, test, and replace the right front surface element. To begin this repair, we must first remove the cooktop. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need to complete this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a tack puller, and a voltmeter. To remove your cooktop, first we will open the door. There are 2 Phillips screws underneath each corner that will need to be removed. Set those aside, lift up on the front of your cooktop and start to slide forward, lift up, and set it aside. Now that our cooktop is removed, we now have clear access to our right front element. The main reasons why you'd be replacing a heating element would be if the unit will not heat at all, or you could see that the element is broken. The first thing I would do is a visual inspection to the element. See if you can see any breaks in it, any burn marks, anything like that. The next thing you will want to do is use a tack puller or a flat blade screwdriver to gently remove your 2 terminals off of the element. We will keep this one bent so we know that it was on the front and that one just slightly up. Now at this point you can test between these 2 terminals. Just turn your element switch on and see if you have 240 volts. Be very careful so that the metal does not touch anywhere and shorts out the unit. If your voltage is okay, you can test the element. We will set our meter to ohms and we will test between where we took off our terminals. Now a typical element should read anywhere from 10 to 50 ohms. This one is reading 21. It is testing out good. Now, if you did test for continuity and you have no continuity going between here, that would show that you have a break in the element and it needs to be replaced. Now, to remove your element, use a tool, flat blade screwdriver, or tack puller to put underneath your element, slide out and lift up on the tabs. Do the same on the opposite side. At this point, we will flip our element over. Now you will want to remove these clips by pressing in and pulling out. And just make sure you write down exactly which number you take the clips from. Once again, on the other side, press in, pull out, and you can set your element aside. When installing your new element, place it down and we will reinstall the clips into the corresponding numbers that you took it off from previously. This one was on 18 and 54. To start, press in the spring-loaded portion on the front. Press in and guide in the sharp piece into the hole. Do the same on the other side. Press down, slide forward, install your clip. We will turn your element over and reinstall it onto the frame. Next, reinstall your terminals. Now we can reinstall the cooktop. To install your cooktop, be very careful. First, slide it into place. Keep it lifted up. Drop it down. And slide it into the correct position. It should be all the way down on the sides. Next, there are 2 screws underneath that will need to be reinstalled. You may have to move your cooktop around a little bit just to line it up. Install your first screw, reinstall your second screw, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.